አሁን ትናንትና የተማርነውን ትምህርት ጥያቄ የምንሰራ ይሆናል። I am going to ask you a question about the lesson we covered yesterday. You will tell me some basic words meaning in English. መጀመሪያ first you will read it, then you will tell me the meaning.
Salam.
እሺ ሰላም. What does salam mean?
It can mean peace or hello, hi.
ጎበዝ. Fine. Okay. Hello. Hi. እሺ. Yes.
Dehna. Dehna.
What does it mean?
Good or fine.
Well, good,
Good.
fine, ጎበዝ። ይህንን let me delete this. ልደልተው። እሺ ጎበዝ። ይሄስ?
This ended. Ended. How?
ጎበዝ። አሜዚንግ። አልተቻልሽም። እሺ ይሄስ?
እንደምን እንደምን እንደምን
means
okay how
ትክክል ነሽ።
okay
yes
አላችሁ
means
like we are or something
አላችሁ
I am or አላችሁ
it is a greeting
yeah greeting like fine right I am or something like that
let us jump there. What is this?
Like I am here, I am available, something like that. I don't know how to explain it.
Yeah, but it has a question mark.
Okay, alle. Okay, it's like, are you around something?
Oh, yes. Good. Are you alive?
Are you okay or something like that? Yeah. Okay, question.
Yes. Is it for male or female?
Male. This is for male.
She is.
And his? Alish.
ምን ማለት ነው?
The same are you alive but talking to a female.
ጎበዝ። እሺ this is for ለሴት ነው ይሄ፣ ይሄኛው ለወንድ ነው። እሺ ያንን የምታውቂው በዚህ ነው፣ በእነዚህ ሺ እና ህ ሳውንድ። እሺ ይሄንንስ አሁን ሞክሪ። ትራይት ነው።
አላችሁ okay are you alive but I think plural
ጎበዝ። for plural ለብዙ ሰዎች plural. That's amazing actually. You memorized it very well. Amazing.